children, in the last class we have studied about synthetic fiber, nylon and polyester. In today's class we will discuss another one synthetic fiber that is called as acrylic. This acrylic is an example for synthetic fiber. You will wear sweaters, shawl, blankets during the winter season. You feel that it is made from what? Wool, natural fiber, that is wool. But it is not exactly made from natural fiber. That is mainly made from another one synthetic fiber. It will be mixed with help of acrylic. Here that is mainly made from another one synthetic fiber that is called as acrylic. That is similar to that of wool. Okay. Sweaters and shawls or blankets are actually not made from natural wool. Though they appear to resemble wool, these are prepared from another type of synthetic fiber called acrylic. I told that one. They appear like wool, natural wool, but they are not made from natural wool. They are prepared from a synthetic fiber, another type of synthetic fiber that is called as acrylic. This acrylic, the wool obtained from natural source, is expensive, whereas cloths made from acrylic are cheap. When you prepare the cloths by using natural fiber wool, that is very expensive, very costly when compared to the cloths made by acrylic fiber. This acrylic fiber, they are cheap when compared to the natural fiber. The wool obtained from natural source is expensive, whereas cloths made from acrylic are cheap when compared to what? Natural fibers. Okay. It is available in different colors. These acrylic fibers are colored in, dyed in different color. You will get different colored this type of synthetic fiber. This acrylic that is more durable and affordable. That means that can be available in a reasonable price. That all it can reach all the people. It is available in reasonable price. It is durable as well as it is affordable. It is cheap, it is durable as well as affordable. Because of all this property, what happened? Acrylic became popular in preparation of these sweaters, shawl, blankets, etc. Because of its property, it got its own popularity. Next, in the previous class, means in the 7th standard or the 6th standard, you saw about that different fibers, natural and synthetic fiber. When you burn natural fiber or synthetic fiber, their character will be different. There are sometimes if you burn synthetic fiber, it will give bad smell, and their character will be different. When you burn synthetic fiber, what happens? They melt easily. They melt on heating. That is the disadvantage of synthetic fiber. See here, when you burn synthetic fiber, behavior is different from the natural fiber. Behavior of synthetic fiber is different from natural fiber when you burn the synthetic fiber. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. This is the disadvantage of synthetic fiber. This is the disadvantage of synthetic fiber. What is the disadvantage of synthetic fiber? That is because it melt on heating. When you burn synthetic fiber, what happens? It will melt. That's why it is dangerous to wear synthetic clothes in kitchen or in the laboratory. What happens? When the synthetic fiber or synthetic cloths will get fired, or when it will fire, it will melt and it will attach to the body of the person, those who wear synthetic fiber. That's why it is not advisable to wear synthetic fiber while you do in the kitchen or in the laboratory. Laboratory also they will prefer Efron coat, white coat. You saw that one. That is because sometimes it may catch fire, synthetic clothes. That's why to avoid that, because it is dangerous. That's why it will melt and it will stick to the body of the person those who wear. That's why it is not good to wear a synthetic cloth while during in the kitchen or in the laboratory. Okay, here I have written that one. If the cloths catch fire, that means synthetic cloths catch fire, it can be disastrous. Disastrous means dangerous. The fabric melts and stick to the body of a person wearing it. Who is wearing that cloth, that will be stick to his body. Therefore, not wear synthetic clothes while working in the kitchen or in a laboratory. That's why should not wear what these synthetic clothes you are working while working in the kitchen or in the laboratory. I told that all the synthetic fibers are prepared by using petrochemical. That means all the synthetic fibers are prepared by a number of processes using raw materials of petroleum. During petroleum processing, you will get so many raw materials. By using those raw materials, what happened? We are preparing the synthetic fiber. Those raw materials available along with the petroleum processing are called as petrochemicals. They are called as petrochemicals. This is about the synthetic fiber. Another one synthetic fiber is that is polymer, that is called as a plastic, or that is commonly common plastic, that is called as a polyethylene. That is an example for polymers that we will discuss in the next class, plastic, about plastic in detail. Okay, then we have to discuss very important topic in this, very important point in this chapter, that is characteristics of synthetic fiber. What are the characteristics of synthetic fiber, or what are the properties of synthetic fiber? Why this synthetic fiber got this much of popularity? Because of its property. What are those properties? Now we have to check. Synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fiber. Synthetic fibers are cheaper than natural fiber. Natural fiber, when compared to natural fiber and synthetic fibers are cheaper when compared to natural fiber. That's why this is very popular. Synthetic fibers are stronger than natural fiber. They are very strong when compared to natural fiber. That's why it can be used in rock climbing, ropes and all. You know about that. In parachutes, and they are very strong. They are stronger than steel wire, like that. That's why it is used in different articles. Very important one, that is synthetic fibers are more durable. It can last long up to many years. They are more durable when compared to natural fibers. Synthetic fibers are more durable than natural fiber. Another one very important thing, that is synthetic fabrics are dried up in less time. One activity they have given in your textbook. What you have to do? You have to take a piece of cloth. Both one is made from natural fiber, one is made from synthetic fiber, and you have to dip. You have to take one bucket, and you have to dip the cloth in that bucket, and you have to, after 2 to 3 minutes, you have to make it to dry. Which one will dry first? Okay, that you can understand. That is the property of synthetic fiber. Synthetic fabrics are dried up in less time. You know about that. When you wash your clothes, or different types of cloth, cotton cloths, they will take long time when compared to the synthetic cloths. Okay, example, synthetic fabrics is possible. Fabrics are dried up in less time. Very important point. Synthetic fibers are easy to maintain and easy to wash. Easy to wash and easy to maintain. You can maintain the synthetic fibers easily, as well as you can wash the synthetic fibers easily. That because of all these property, synthetic fibers has got many application as well as more popularity in day-to-day life. Why this synthetic fiber? They will ask why this synthetic fiber got this much of popularity in day-to-day life. What is the reason for popularity of synthetic fiber? These are the characteristics. I think you can understand synthetic characteristics. You have to write this. I will give the question. You have to write this synthetic property. Refer this chart and you write. Okay, I will not give the answer again. While watching video, you have to make points that will give answer for my question. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. In the next class, we will discuss about plastic. Okay, in detail, if you discuss about plastic, types of plastic, that completes your chapter. This chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics. Okay, thank you.